Everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your location on Tinder app. So let's get started. Tinder offers an official way to change your location with Tinder passport available with Tinder Plus, Gold or Platinum user. If I open the app and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on this setting on the top right corner, here you get the option of add a new location. Tap on it. Tap on add new location. Now it is asking for a subscription because this feature is only available in the Tinder Plus, Gold or Platinum. But I'm going to show you one trick so that you can change your location without paying. So let's get started. I want you to go to Play Store and search for app name Fake GPS. Then download this app and open it. Now just give it a permission. Now then you need to open settings, and if you scroll down, now you need to open the setting, then scroll down and under debugging tap on this select mock location app. Now go to this app, then go back. Now choose the location. Here I'm choosing the location of Canada and tap on this button, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.